to my brain, my house. Today's going to talk about synaptic transmission. Site where information is transmitted from one cell to another cell known as synapse. And we have two types of synapses. We have electrical synapse and chemical synapse. Moving on to the electrical synapse have special characteristics which are they are fast, there is a gap junction, there is no neurotransmitter, while chemical synapses are slow, there is a synaptic lift instead of gap junction, there is neurotransmitter from presynaptic to postsynaptic. Example of chemical synapse is neuromuscular junction. There is a motor unit comprised of two things: motor neuron and muscle fiber. Next video, we are going to talk about sequence of events at the neuromuscular junction. Thank you everyone for watching. See you for the next time. Like this video, share, make a comment, and subscribe for more videos.